We are on the job today with Moose Roofing in Omaha, Nebraska. They have a 20-foot trailer that we've been doing an install on. They've been a great group to work with. We put a door in the front for their generator slider. We spent quite a bit of time talking with them about where they wanted everything. There's a lot of options, and we always give the customer all the pros and cons and then let them decide what they think will work best for them. So they're about to put the generator slider in now, and then they're going to use this area. They're going to put a shelf on top of the slider and use it for tools and other storage. They have the 34-inch wall-mounted hose reel here. And then they're going to put their CM2400 here. And then they also have a vacuum that they've purchased that's portable. So that's going to be just, they'll roll it on and roll it off as needed. Nice trailer. We like the side door. B-nose is always really practical as well. It has a ramp door. It's been a great day. We've really appreciated working with these guys, hard-working guys, and they've made the job a lot of fun. So thank you to Moose Roofing for a fantastic day.